Is your Mercedes Sprinter van key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead battery. Replacing it yourself is a simple fix. The Sprinter uses a CR2032 for mostly pre-2018 models or CR2025 for some post-2018 models. Both are 3 volts lithium coin batteries. You'll need a flathead screwdriver or a coin to pry open the case. First, use the screwdriver or coin to gently pry open the key fob case at the seam. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. Remove the old battery, noting which side is up. That's the positive side. Insert the new battery with the correct polarity, positive side up, and snap the case shut. Test the key fob immediately to ensure it's working. Dispose of the old battery responsibly. This DIY fix can save you time and money compared to going to a dealership. If the new battery doesn't solve the problem, check the battery contacts for corrosion. Try resetting the fob by inserting the key into the ignition and turning it to position 1. If issues persist, the fob may need reprogramming by a dealer, though this is rare after a battery change. Key fob batteries typically last 2 to 4 years, but frequent use drains them faster. Consider checking the battery annually. While not officially supported, some users have tried rechargeable batteries. Handle your key fob carefully to avoid damage from drops. Replacing the key fob battery is the 3rd most common Sprinter repair, with most DIY fixes being successful. If problems persist, it is possible that there is a software issue or telematics problem.